You know what? I just want to share that all these things, packing and everything, is kind of making me emotional a little bit. That we're finally, like, we are leaving. Like, we're packing our lives in boxes. Everything that we built in one city, everything that we built here, we're leaving it behind to kind of like start a new journey, kind of thing. It's just making me emotional. I don't know.
You know.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video is just a day in a life, you guys, because we haven't done this in forever. What I like about this type of videos is it gives update to our viewers of what's going on with their life.
We welcome you in our lives.
So today we just really wanna show you. We're just gonna stay in all day, literally.
No, because I'm working all day.
He's
but
working.
This is my break.
He's working later, but he has a break right now. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare our lunch.
As you see from the mess in this house,
look at
there's
all the
boxes, luggage, laundry all over the place. Because slowly I'm packing for Italy. I'll be leaving in, oh my god, two weeks.
2 weeks.
All right, exact weeks.
So just to give a quick update, you guys, we are leaving our apartment in Toronto in November 30th, our last day. And I know we just moved in April earlier this year, right? Earlier this year as well, we decided to travel the world for 2020. We keep on saying it in all our videos, and if you want to subscribe to our travel channel, it's linked down below. So we thought we just leave November 30th so we don't pay rent in December. Smart idea.
We go back to our families for the month of December.
So right now we have a lot of boxes. Show the boxes.
Oh my gosh,
everywhere.
I started this morning packing for Italy. This little one is my year travel for 20.
Yeah, so our apartment, literally, we don't have that much stuff because we packed most of it while we moved April this year. Yeah, our room is a mess as well, as you can see. Look, we're trying to pack. So this is all our closet. See how small it is? So this is all you probably saw our condo tour. So that's our closet. We're gonna pack everything because next year we're only gonna travel with
This tiny one.
one carry-on each.
That's it.
That's it.
No playing around.
Nothing. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we're both hungry. Let's go ahead and prepare.
Right now, lunch that Yani cooked yesterday. I've had a crazy day, guys. It's been a struggle. When I came back, I started packing. I want a break because then I have 6 dance classes. As you can see, this morning I was so sleepy, I left one toast here.
He always leaves toast here, you guys. Look. He always does that.
Also, do you want pasta or salsa?
The chicken? Guys,
So
look how
salmon
messy
and
our fridge is.
Honestly, it's not really my fault. Guys, comment down below if you want me to buzz my hair or keep it long.
Guys, personally, I like it long. I really like it long. It's so cute. He looks like a cupid, doesn't he? Like a cupid. Bunny, you look like a cupid.
People ask why you call me Bunny.
Should we tell them why we call each other Bunny now? Guys, Fabio and I cannot stand messy house, but we have...
I cannot. Yani can, trust me.
We have no choice but to be messy for the few weeks because look, my goal is to pack all week as much as I can this week because I have 2 weeks left. Today is November 16, 17, 19, so it's almost the 30th. Hey guys, so let's eat a little, just a quick
All of our
mukbang.
leftovers.
Oh, it's just leftover, guys. Just a quick mukbang. And we decided to just do this, to just talk to you guys as well, what's been going on with our lives. So yeah, as we said earlier, we're traveling for 1 year.
This is extremely exciting for us. Honestly, guys, at least once a week, I dream about our travel. I always dream that
I had a
I'm in
dream
some
about it last
place.
night. I had a dream
Yeah.
about it. I was in Thailand being chased by bulls and cows.
So interesting.
I have here just quinoa and just minced chicken with some vegetable, asparagus, zucchini, red pepper, just something
Give
healthy.
me some because I want to try it.
The pasta I cooked yesterday. If you follow me on Instagram, you know.
I must confess, to be honest with you,
My loneliness, it's killing me now.
the past few months have been such a struggle for me because I've been working so much. Often waking up at 5 a.m. to go to class, teaching until 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. It's been a big struggle, but I'm doing this because of the travel and I really want to push it to save as much money as I can just to be okay during this 1 year. Because you never know, YouTube is good, but you never know what's gonna happen, right?
There's a lot of changes to YouTube too and everything. So yeah, that's what's going on with our lives right now. Packing again. I never thought that I would move twice in 1 year. There's a lot happening this year. Beginning this year, we decided to travel the world for 2020. we planned, we travel hack, we saved a lot of money, and now it's almost literally there. It's happening. It's like 2 months away. Like, I'm getting emotional talking about it because thinking about the things that we've been through this year, so many things. So January we decided we're gonna travel. April, we got kicked out in our previous apartment. Fabio has just been traveling everywhere, but he's been busy. But he's been traveling to Prague, to Greece, and all that.
All for work, obviously.
All for work. Yeah. So now it's November.
It's November. Honestly, it's been so hectic. I just cannot wait to sit my ass on the plane and fall asleep
And wake up to a
wake up
different
in
place.
Italy, go on my bed and sleep again. I'll go sleep for a whole week.
Thought that we owe it all to you guys to give you an update what's going on in our life. The avid followers, the one who really follows us, know, because you know some of you guys are following us on Instagram, so you could kind of know what's going on because I always update Instagram.
And with some of you guys, we became friends.
My first meet and greet, I still remember your faces. Whoever of you saw me during the first meet and greet, I still remember your faces. So hoping to meet you guys again. And
We can't wait to see you again, guys.
what do you think this 1 year travel is gonna bring us, Fabio?
Thank you for the wonderful question. All I'm hoping is just to learn as much as I can about the world. I want to know about the other cultures. I want to know people. I want to get to meet people, share experiences with them. I just want to grow. I don't know. I'm so open to all the possibilities that life has to offer right now that I just want to see what's out there.
We just want to acknowledge that we are so lucky and blessed to do this.
But I want to point out one thing, guys. We do not come from rich families.
No,
I'm an immigrant here.
Same.
Yani and Yani's family are immigrants here. So we literally built our life from zero. I came here with one luggage, a big luggage and a backpack. Literally from nothing, we just worked hard for what we wanted. And if you have a dream, you must put the effort. You cannot just visualize it and be positive that things are gonna happen. No, you need to get your ass out there and do it.
I always say this, you need to meet opportunity halfway. You cannot just wait on it. You have to meet it halfway and do your part and work your part. Okay guys, so we're gonna start packing again now, and Fabio is complaining that the closet is full of my stuff and not his stuff.
Wait, this is not a complaint, it's just reality, stating facts. Because I packed everything. And look here. Oh my goodness. Only a...
Okay guys, so let's just organize all the things that we have currently at home. So my plan, since we're doing only one carry-on next year, my plan is to carry one pair of black pants. Shorts definitely, because everywhere we're gonna go is gonna be summer. Black shorts. Fabio, do you want this? Do you fit in this? This is so skinny for me. Okay guys, so just a little quick update. I am almost done folding. I have this pretty much packed, and Fabio's right, I do have quite a lot of stuff.
No wonder.
He's getting ready to go to work. But you know what, I just want to share that all these things, packing and everything, is kind of making me emotional a little bit, that we're finally, like, we are leaving. Like, we're packing our lives in boxes. Everything that we built in one city, everything that we built here, we're leaving it behind to kind of like start a new journey kind of thing. It's just making me emotional. I don't know.
You know, for me, it was always extremely hard to pack and know what to leave behind. And this year, I feel so good about it. Just so good about it. You have no idea. It's like getting rid of all the things that are weighing you down, and really just energy that it's stuck there in your closet. And you're just picking what to carry on with you. Like it's just amazing.
And it's a lot harder what to pick to carry on with you, because we're just traveling with that small suitcase, that carry on over there.
I love it.
And I don't know, oh my gosh, I'm so getting emotional. Anyway, I'm gonna go packing. No more emotional, because there's, but I'm almost finished with the closet, so I'm gonna do under the bed after.
Here, guys, let me show you what he means by he's almost done with the closet. Still full.
Alright guys, we're gonna close the vlog here. That's pretty much it for this video. We just wanted to give you an update. I finished pretty much everything in the closet already. It's all in that box over there. Fabio's about to go work now anyway, and look how cute Fabio is. That's my man. That's my man. Look at him.
Hey guys! Big transformation since before, isn't it?
Wow, so cute. Anyway, our house is still a mess, you guys. Look at this. Boxes, boxes, boxes everywhere. Suitcase. I'll show you the closet. So look. There's still a lot, but this is what I'm gonna wear throughout the winter, and these are my summer, which I'm gonna bring to traveling because I'm going to Puerto Rico as well. And look, I'm just vlogging with my iPhone 11. You guys, it's no joke. The cameras nowadays are so good that you can vlog with them. That's what I'm doing. I'm vlogging with my iPhone 11.
That iPhone was $1,000. Of course, it's a good camera. What are we kidding here?
Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. We just wanted to give you an update what's going on, that we're traveling, we are leaving this place again, packing everything again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank
Bye,
you, guys.
guys.